get too long. Okay, and we're back. This is part 2 of the taking apart the 55-inch LG flat screen. He's got many things to unsolder.
And what we're gonna do though, is the plastic, we're gonna throw it out.
Yeah, the big bulky plastic parts, and we can just throw those out.
They don't work anymore. There's no point to this part.
Yeah. Okay. Well, what's that? Oh, that's like the stand that it. Okay, it sits on. It's very fast. Drake has been doing this kind of work since he could hold a screwdriver, so he's very fast at all this.
Follow me.
Where are you going?
To garbage.
Oh, you're going to take that and throw in the garbage? All right. Just set it out there. Okay, that'll go out in the recycling.
Just checking one thing.
Okay.
Okay, got the speakers out.
What are you doing?
Making sure I got the speakers out.
The speakers? Okay. Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're right here, right on this board.
Oh, the speakers on this first board that he took off. Okay. Drake likes to save the speakers from things. He's got quite a few speakers.
Oh. Here's the 2 speakers. They look pretty good. Do they look pretty good?
Yeah, they do. They look in great shape. All right. We'll put them
What
over
about
there.
sound quality?
What is it?
Well, sound quality. How do they look for sound quality?
I don't know.
Well, guess what? Back in the day, with speakers in the old, like, tube TV, they would have been better.
They were much bigger. Yeah.
And better.
They're not as flat. They're not as big in the flat screens. That's why we have to have the sound bars.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, another piece for the trash.
Yep, all
Okay.
me.
I'll follow you, okay.
Oh yeah, if you're wondering about what this is, this is a part that didn't film, but this TV also didn't work.
That's
either.
another TV from yesterday that died. And that's going in the trash. That's going in the trash.
Yep.
All right, well, the trash people will be thrilled with us.
I think we're done.
Okay.